Live in the heart of Savannah's historic district, a stone's throw from the Owen's Thomas House. Take a step back in time as you hear horses circling Oglethorpe Square. Just moments from your doorstep, you'll be in the hub of shopping and eateries along Broughton Street or the epicenter of City Market. Fountains, live music, and historic River Street, where some of the world's largest ships traverse the river, await. In the snap of a finger, you're at Forsyth Park, enjoying the company of locals and visitors alike, or taking in the beaches of Tybee Island, the barrier island on the Atlantic Ocean, fishing, boating, or taking in sun. Built for Jane Young in 1853, this 4-story brick Greek Revival home has had only 3 owners since its inception. Used as a rectory for Christ Church for nearly 100 years, it retains many original details, including hardwood floors, original window glass and hardware, beautiful wrought iron, hard plaster, and a dumbwaiter. Its classic kitchen with an abundance of natural light, grand foyer with soaring ceilings, triple parlor with 4 original operating fireplaces, expansive sleeping porch with walkout windows from the parlor, and meticulously manicured garden with crepe myrtles, all boast timelessness. The garage and carriage house are reminiscent of their era, yet offer an abundance of storage and parking. Schedule your private viewing today.